Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 4, chapter number 3, the digestive and excretory system, part 3. In our last two videos, you have seen about digestive system. You have learned about the different organs of digestive system and their functions. Digestive system means the organ system which helps to digest the food, and digestion means the breakdown of complex food into simple soluble form so that our body can absorb it. Different organs of digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. You have learned about the whole digestion process. You have also learned about how these organs helps in digestion. You have also learned about the healthy habits for the good digestion, and you have also learned about the role of water in digestive system. I had told you to read the complete chapter properly. I hope you have read the chapter. Now our today's topic, that is excretory system. Today I am going to explain you about the another organ system. Name of that organ system is excretory system. Excrete means to throw, to remove. Living organisms perform a number of activities. During these activities, many waste products are formed. These waste products are toxic, harmful and poisonous. If this toxic waste accumulate or stored in the body, they can harm our body. So they must be removed from our body. For removal of waste from our body, excretory system help us. The process of removal of waste formed in the body of living organism is called excretion. At your home also, to cook food, you use vegetable. Before that, we cut the vegetable, and before cutting we wash the vegetable. Why? To remove dirt and germs. Then we peel it off. Why? Why we peel it off? Because they are unwanted and not useful. Okay, that is the reason we peel the vegetable, we wash the vegetable, we clean it to remove the germ, to remove the unwanted thing. So the unwanted part we throw out. Like that, in our body, many harmful, unwanted, toxic things are made that we need to throw out from our body. So organs helps to clean our body by removing the waste produced by our body, and these organs are called excretory organs. At our home, if we see this picture, at our home, if we do not dust properly, we do not do the dusting properly, we do not do the mopping properly, then what will be the scenario of the room of our house? It will look very untidy and it will look dirty. So mopping and dusting is very important to keep your house clean. If we will not do it regularly, then our house will become dirty. It will be very difficult to live in such dirty place. It will look untidy. It will be harmful as well. Disease can cause to us. So regular cleaning of the house is must. We must dust it properly. The dusting should be properly done. The mopping should be properly done. And we must use the disinfectant also to kill the germs. So all these things, mopping, dusting, using disinfectant, keeps our house clean. Like that, cleaning of body is also an important process. That process is excretion process. The process of removal of waste product formed in the body of living organism is called excretion. In our last topic, we have seen how the undigested waste material is removed from our body. After the digestion process get completed in the small intestine, the undigested waste that is pushed in the large intestine. From large intestine, it is passed to the rectum and it is removed out of our body through anus. This is also a way of removal waste from our body. In this picture, you can see lungs, skin and kidneys. So they help us to remove the waste from our body. Skin. First we will see about skin. Skin helps in removal of waste in the form of sweat. We have tiny pores on our skin which helps to remove the waste as sweat. So skin, what is the function of skin? Skin removes urea, salt and excess water through sweat. All this urea, salt and excess water, this is a form of waste and that is removed in the form of sweat through the skin. So skin is a excretory organ. See, this is a picture of skin. Now next is lungs. Our lungs also helps to expel the gaseous waste from our body. During breathing process, we inhale, we take in oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a waste produced by our body. Lungs also help our body to eliminate waste. Like skin, lungs also helps to eliminate the waste from our body. And here carbon dioxide is the waste. Through the respiration process, lungs helps to remove carbon dioxide from our body. One more organ you can see here, that these are kidneys. The kidney remove urine. In that urea, salt and excess water is present and that is a form of waste, and through filtration and urination process, the kidneys helps to remove the waste from our body. Excretory system also helps to remove liquid waste out of our body. Most of the food contain lots of liquid. Vegetable, fruits, whatever we eat that contain liquid. We drink a lot of water as well. So to remove this extra fluid and other harmful things through water excretion process help us. Now come on the excretory system. It is also called as urinary system. The system now we are going to discuss, that is also called as urinary system, because here the waste is removed in the form of urine. In this process, the waste is removed from the body in the form of urine. Now, organs of excretory system, or you can say urinary system. Let's see the organs. In this picture, you can see the bean-like structure. Two bean-like structure organs are present. These are kidneys. Okay. And the red and blue tube-like structure, these are arteries, and veins, these are blood vessels to carry the blood. And then there is a brownish color, you can see light pale brownish color tube-like structure which is going down. These two tubes are called ureters, and there is a bladder. Okay, you can see balloon-like figure. This is called urinary bladder. And then down to that urethra is there. The tube-like opening is called urethra. We are going to learn about these parts one by one. So the organ which help us to remove waste as urine are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Let's start with the kidneys. There are two kidneys present in our body, and kidneys are considered as the hero of this urinary system. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organ. You can see these are bean-shaped organ, and these are located just above the waist on either side of the backbone. From the back, near the either side of the backbone, these two kidneys are present. They are not at the same height. The right kidney is little lower as compared to the left kidney. The reason is that on the right hand side there is a big organ which is present, that is liver. In your digestive system, you have seen the size of liver is very big and it is present on the right hand side. And because of this organ present above the kidney, this right hand side kidney is a little lower as compared to the left hand side kidney. So there are two kidneys present in our body and they are bean shaped, and the function of this is to eliminate the waste by filtering the blood. Kidneys eliminate waste and extra salt by filtering the blood when the blood vessels carry the blood to the kidneys. So the main function of kidney is to purify the blood. Okay, the blood vessels, this tube-like structure, you can see red and blue line tube-like structure, they carry the blood to the kidneys, and here the filtration process is done inside the kidney, and then again blood vessel carry this pure or the purified blood. So kidneys eliminate the waste and extra salt by filtering the blood when blood vessels carry the blood to kidneys. Kidneys purify that blood and the liquid waste is separated out of the blood, and after purification the purified blood is again goes out through the blood vessels, and the liquid waste, that is now called urine. So it is the kidneys, it has two functions. Kidneys have two functions. One is to purify the blood and to remove the waste, okay, in the form of urine. So it is separating the waste from the blood. So the liquid waste is separated out of the blood, and after purification the purified blood is again goes out through the blood vessels, and the liquid waste, that is urine, that is formed, and it then pass through the ureters. Wait, I'll show you the ureter. So these are ureters. So after the filtration process done, the waste in the form of urine is passed to the urinary bladder through these ureters. Okay, so what is the function of ureters? Ureters carry urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. See, this picture is given in your textbook. You can see here kidneys, two kidneys, then ureters, it is connecting to the bladder down here, bladder, or you can say urinary bladder, and then there is an opening called urethra. This picture is given in your textbook. Okay, so the kidneys, they have purified the blood, and then the waste, urine, that goes into the bladder through these ureters. Ureter helps to pass this urine and it comes in the bladder. Now next organ of the system is urinary bladder. The function of urinary bladder is to store the urine for some time. It is a hollow sac-like organ. Urine is collected and stored here. It is a muscular organ, means it is made up of muscle. The wall of urinary bladder can contract and expand. It is very important as it stores the urine. There will be, otherwise what will happen? There will be a continuation flow of urine from our body. For that, this urinary bladder is very important to hold the urine. Urinary bladder can hold approx 300 ml to 500 ml urine in it. So we must remove this urine at a regular interval. Otherwise, if it will be there in our body for long time, it will become very toxic and may harm our body. As urine contain harmful substances, harmful salts present in that, so it should be removed out of our body. So urine is removed from the body through urethra. You can see this opening. In the end there is a opening, tube-like structure. So with the help of this urethra, this is called urethra. Urethra helps to remove the urine out of our body. So these are the different organs of excretory system and how they work to remove urine out of our body. So these are the organs of excretory system and they helps to remove the waste in the form of urine out of our body. Let's see the functions of excretory system. It helps to remove the harmful waste product from our body and it helps to maintain water content to the body. Okay, so these are the two main function of excretory system, that it helps to remove harmful waste out of our body, otherwise it will become very toxic and harmful for us, and it helps to maintain the water content of the body. So children, that's all for today, and now you have to read the chapter again properly, thoroughly.